So now we have these 1270 N struts, and they are fine. Yeah, thanks for advice. These are working fine. Watching wannabe Overlander rebuilding my Overland vehicle. I will cut onto this video some clips about putting some stickers on there and the front door wind deflectors. I got those already, but I don't have the time to put those on. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's why I choose this kind of wind deflectors, which are glued over the window frame, because it's wider and it's not make this window opening smaller. Another one which goes to the window channel, it's make a window opening smaller. So I think this is more practical for use. And the instructions say it needs to a little bit heat up after installation, so it sticks together better. I have just 60-70 degree setting here. So it's not very hot. Perhaps could go 80. Just a hair dryer is enough. Not hot than that. I think we get a good contact because the car is very clean and fresh paint. So I think this is not a problem. We will see when we go to driving. Does this come off? Stay. get a couple of packages today, and this shop has always something nice. The warehouse guys put some candy bar in here. It's some licorice. So this is a 3-year power pack, triple cartridge gas supply to power most gas appliances. So, and this should be 30 millibar. So I think this might be the solution for my gas stove. I don't need to storage a big gas tank inside the van. There is some fast fitting valve and thread connection cable, and this is a small as it can be to power our gas stove. 30 millibar. Nice. So this fitting, and it can be adjust any directions, and here is the regulator, 29 millibar actually. Here is the valve, and how this is open like this, and then just put the bottle on here. You could use this one just with the 1 cartridge or 2 or 3, and they don't need to be even full. So I think this is just nice. I could storage this when I'm sleeping out of the van, so that it's not need to be inside when we're sleeping. The hose is some kind of where I can get the new hose if I need it. But it works nice. Turns which way, and this I could fit anywhere under the stove, in the floor or anywhere. So I should make a connection point for this hose. I could leave this hose under the stove in the cabin, and there is this fast release valve. I could leave this whole unit there and just pull out the bottles. So there is now several choices. This is nice. Yeah. €10 discount code. Then I get this package from Autodoc, and we have new struts here. I hope these fits. These are heavy peel stains, and they are much heavy duty than the previous one, so I'm going to fit this right now. So these ones could not fit because if I put this end to even another end is so much longer, so it could not go in all the way because there is just this mount which not goes in, so these are too long struts. I need to go find a different type. It could be difficult, but I need to start to find. These are heavy peel stains. There is only overall length, so that's why you could not see the package details. the evolution of van. I'm at that grill for barbecue here, coal grill. But this sticker I'm going to put here. But perhaps here a little bit problem because I have this structure paint here, so I'm not sure how long this sticker gonna stay here. But let's try. Let's fit it here. So this is where the smoke comes out. If it's not gonna stay, then it's peel out. This sticker I sold in New Zealand, somewhere in the New Zealand website, but it's not able to shop from there. There was only option inside the New Zealand, so I make this myself. And it was only white color and I needed black because I don't want to fit it in the rear tailgate window. So I have a light color van, so the sticker is fine when it's black. So let's see how does it fit. If there is lots of air under the sticker and then dirt goes there, then it can peel off. But right now it looks quite decent. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, no problem. Wow, absolutely fine. This looks a little bit homemade, so because I'm not professional for using some kind of what is this app, a vector graphics. I'm not professional with the vector graphics. I just use a couple of times that app, and it's not so easy for me, so I'm quite happy with the results. So I get this 𝐓𝐘𝐒 group tailgate struts, and these are very different than this VW Bilstein. So if you see this cylinder container, gas container is much shorter, so this allows the tailgate to close complete. So I need to give this VW struts back. So use this 𝐓𝐘𝐒 group struts, and as somebody told me, thanks for the tip in the Syncro owners group. So these are 1270N struts, so this should be fine. So let's fit this in the van. So now we have these 1270N struts, and they are fine. Yeah, thanks for advice. These are working fine. And if this ball hinge here, ball mounting bracket is not strong enough, then I need to buy new these ones. But now I'm able to use my tailgate again. So I'm just clean a little bit excessive grease, and that's it. So the floor is not even here, it's higher in this end, and these struts are a couple of centimeters taller, longer, so it allows me to have more headroom for my shower. And so these are perfect struts for me and with this setup. So I think they could handle at least a couple of empty jerry cans also. And now there is my grill. So that's fine. Thank you for watching.
Now the building the van videos are done, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button if you like the videos.